Hello everybody, today I'm going to be talking about the cell membrane structure. I hope you enjoy. The phospholipid bilayer. The phospholipid bilayer makes up the bulk of the cell membrane. It is created by two layers of phospholipids. The phospholipid has one part that is consisted of a hydrophobic tail, another part that is made up of hydrophobic head. Hydrophilic head. The hydrophilic means that it is water loving. This is why the head is always pointing inwards towards the cell or outwards out of the cell. It is a part of the phospholipid and has phosphate in it. So that is the hydrophilic head. So the hydrophobic tails of the phospholipids are a part of the phospholipid bilayer. The hydrophobic means water fearing. This means that the hydrophobic tails will align themselves to each other so that the tails won't touch any water. Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a type of lipid which fortifies and strengthens the cell membrane. Integral carrier protein. The carrier protein is a type of integral protein which works by using ATP, which is cell energy, and so it can transport materials from the outside of the cell to the inside of the cell, even when it has a higher concentration than the outside. This makes it an active transport protein. Active transport proteins have to have energy such as ATP to be used. Carrier proteins are important for cell homeostasis because it allows the cell to live in low concentration areas and get more materials. Integral channel protein. The channel proteins are a special type of integral proteins which help with facilitated diffusion for glucose and other materials which cannot go through the simple diffusion. These proteins will only transfer materials when the outside concentration is higher than the inside of the cell. This allows it for it to be passive transport and not use up any energy at all. The carbohydrate is a very important thing to the cell membrane. In order for the immune system to do its job correctly, it needs to know whether the cell is part of the body. The carbohydrates help to communicate to other cells that, hey, I'm not a threat. So, when the immune system goes on patrols, it won't go killing the own body cells. Peripheral proteins are proteins which are situated on the surface of the cell membrane. They are different from integral proteins because they can attach and detach themselves from cell to cell and serve as a way to communicate and signal to other cells. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.